Hello, I'm Matt and I'd like to welcome you to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making French toast out of my homemade whole wheat mixed berry bread. This is another recipe that I got from AI, but this time I used Grok. The recipe includes 3 large eggs, a quick mix of the eggs, a cup of milk, a quarter cup of heavy cream to add some richness, a quarter cup of maple syrup to add some flavor. It was kind of cool watching the beaters pull the syrup out of the measuring cup. I kind of enjoyed that for a few moments. A teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. Please excuse the poor camera angle. Some guy got his arm in the way. And then mix until it is thoroughly incorporated. My take on a pinch of salt. I do really like to be thorough when I'm mixing my dredge. Two tablespoons of melted butter to butter the pan. And then I play Tetris to figure out how I'm going to place all of these pieces of bread and fit them in the pan. That didn't work. Let's try it again. That'll work. And then we carefully pour the dredge into the pan. Time to flip each slice to make sure that they get coated evenly. And now I cover the pan with plastic wrap to place it in the refrigerator to soak overnight. The next day, I removed the plastic wrap, and the dredge soaked in quite nicely, I think. Much better than the previous time of soaking it for a half an hour. Then I place them in the oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, they look pretty darn good. They did stick together a little bit, and I ended up having to use the spatula to separate them. And now a little powdered sugar to brighten up the plate. Time to go wake up my sweetheart and serve her a beautiful birthday breakfast. This is not one of my normal cheat days. It happens to be my wife's birthday. That's one thing I like about my Deciding for Life system, is that I can have cheat days. And for me, at least, it works fine to have an extra cheat day on special occasions like birthdays. I just don't worry about it, and I enjoy the day. And then I get right back on my system, my Deciding for Life system. This allows me to enjoy life with everybody else on their special days and still maintain my weight or lose weight depending on what I'm working on at a specific time. If you've enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you have a question or a comment, please leave it in the comment section. And yes, this plate is mine. It has 5 pieces on it, and I ate the whole thing after I added a little bit more maple syrup. Thanks again, and may you have an awesome and healthier and yes, lighter day.